Hi, my name's Abby. This is my sister Rebecca. Welcome to Cooking with Abby Test Kitchen. Today on Test Kitchen, we're going to be testing these Yoyos Fruit and Veggie Rolls. So we have the raspberry flavored and the mango flavored. So we take that. So inside you get a chance to win like these little cards. And so you can collect them, and there's 50 cards, and then they make like when you put them together, like these don't go together, but like you put them together, and they make like animals. Yeah.
Yeah.
So here.
Now
So
I can tell
we
which
have the
one.
mango.
This one looks more red. I'm
So we
not
have,
surprised.
try the mango first.
Okay.
Okay, to be honest, you guys have tried these already, right?
Yeah.
Do we like
No, not the raspberry.
Really?
No. The raspberry's new. I like the suck on them.
You like the suck of it?
They don't taste like. They taste a bit like dry mango.
They don't have a distinctive taste, all of them. Like I know because we've had more than one flavor. Like the apple and the mango, they taste alike because like there's not
A lot of flavor.
Yeah, like they all taste really the
I
same.
bet I find it's like gummy but harder.
How do they compare to a normal fruit roll?
Much better. I like them.
These are much better?
I like these better than
The fruit roll-up is thinner and it has more flavor. Actually, it has less flavor.
But it has a heck of a lot more sugar, let me tell you. How about the other flavor? Let's try the other one. Which is
Finish
new
that
to both
flavor.
of you guys.
Yeah.
You guys like getting these in your lunches?
Yeah. No, we don't get them in lunches.
Haven't I ever eaten?
No.
Never?
It's only for like the activities, like gymnastics or rock climbing.
I don't taste the raspberry.
No.
No? But are they
They all
good?
taste the same. Yeah, they're good, but they all taste.
Oh, they all taste the same?
There's no. Well,
No, I
think
find the mango has more of a kick to it.
they're mainly apples, pears, and then they'll add like the
Raspberry,
like in here.
with carrots.
So
That one is
this one has more ingredients for the color, I guess. But
Yeah.
they're
Because this one's more red.
So, do we like these?
Redder.
yes, very good.
Thumbs up?
Found it out.
Well, I don't know if they're available everywhere. I'm pretty sure they're available here
Costco.
in Montreal. So hopefully
yeah.
they're available across the nation and perhaps in the U.S. as well.
I'm going to try them together.
Hey, what if people have some ideas of things that they want you to try? Where can they tell you about that kind of fun
In
stuff?
the comments below or on Facebook, Instagram, cookingwithabby.com.
Oh, and make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe.
Sounds good.
Bye-bye.
Bye.